Thinking about that new phone with 𝐔𝐒𝐄𝐅𝐔𝐋 zero interest financing? There's a catch. They don't tell you what credit score you need to get approved. You apply, cross your fingers, and hope for the best. But what if you knew the rules of the game before you played? Well, I've done the digging for you. In this video, I'm going to reveal the credit bureau 𝐔𝐒𝐄𝐅𝐔𝐋 most likely uses and the unofficial credit score that seems to be the magic number. This is the inside information that Google doesn't publish anywhere. The problem is that applying for credit isn't a small thing. When you move forward with financing, Google runs a hard pull on your credit. That hard inquiry can knock a few points off your score, whether you get the phone or not. Applying without knowing the criteria feels like a gamble where you're risking your credit score without even knowing the odds. After digging through countless user reports, a clear picture emerges. First, the credit bureau. The overwhelming consensus from forums and Reddit points to one bureau, Experian. This is critical because it tells you which credit report matters most. Second, the unofficial credit score. While Google is silent, real people are reporting a pattern. Users with FICO scores in the mid-600s are consistently reporting approvals. For example, we've seen multiple reports of users getting approved with an Experian score right around 650. This isn't a guarantee, but it's a powerful benchmark. So how does it work? Initially, Google performs a soft credit inquiry to see if you pre-qualify. This does not affect your credit score. It's only when you see an offer and officially accept the terms that the hard credit inquiry happens. That's the one that gets recorded on your Experian report. If you're approved, the deal is 24 equal monthly payments with zero interest, though most new customers will have a small down payment. Here's your game plan. First, before you apply, get your Experian credit report and score. Don't guess. Second, if your score is below the mid-600s range, spend time on cleanup. The quickest way to see a bump is usually paying down credit card balances to lower your utilization. Third, if you're not approved, Google says to call Experian. You have a right to know why you were denied. The mystery isn't as deep as it seems. The collective experience of customers gives us a clear roadmap. 𝐔𝐒𝐄𝐅𝐔𝐋 almost certainly uses Experian, and a score in the mid-600s appears to be the unofficial target. The process starts with a soft check that won't hurt your score and only becomes a hard pull if you accept their offer. The big takeaway is you don't have to go into this blind. You're in control, and now you have the information to make the right choice.